So because thyme is kind of this all-purpose herb, there's different grades of quality. So we have a couple different varieties here. This is just a cheap Chinese-grown variety, and you can tell the flavors seem to be really concentrated. It has an almost chemical flavor to it. We have this kind of generic variety. If you look closely, there's a lot of stems in comparison to the leaves of the herb. The stems tend to be really woody, affecting the texture of your finished dish. This one here is a Spanish thyme, and while the quality of the herb is really nice, the packer was careless and left a lot of the stems in it, which again is a problem because it affects the texture. So the one we landed on, and the one we find is the best quality, is this Moroccan thyme. You can tell it's got a nice vibrant green flavor, so you can assume that it's very fresh, there's not very many stems in it, and it's got a really true thyme flavor. Something that you have to consider with herbs is what might have been going on in the growing region during the growing period. Was there a drought? Was it perfect temperatures all year long? So we essentially make a tea out of each one, steeping it in hot water and then tasting the different grades of quality. And the one that we found had the best flavor was the Moroccan thyme. Thyme is one of the more important herbs that we use because it's so all-purpose. It pairs well with beef, poultry, pork, vegetables, and is some of the key ingredients in our mushroom bisque and also our clam chowder.